On Monday, the Supreme Court said that Shariat courts have no legal authority and their decisions are not legally binding. It also said that fatwas must not violate the rights of individuals guaranteed by law.
पिटिशनर है, उनका राइट है कि पिटिशन डालना, लेकिन मैं इस पिटिशन को एक शरारत के तौर पे देखता हूँ.
No, what I believe, whether it was a mischief or not, that depends on the petitioner intention, and I don't know why he filed it.
Right.
But ideally, why he filed it, he said in the petition that there is a woman and she was having physical relation with father-in-law, and then somebody asked to the Sharia court, what is the status of her marriage? So in that scenario, Shariat court given a fatwa and by saying that now she should be considered divorced from her husband,
Right.
and she should now, it's better if she marries to this person whom with she's having physical relation, not knowing that he is a father-in-law.
पता नहीं इसको परिभाषित करने का क्या, बाय फोर्स उसको लागू नहीं कर सकते हैं. ये है कानूनी मान्यता का मतलब. ये नहीं होता
मतलब
है
ये
कि जो है
हमारी इंडिविजुअल चॉइस है.
Choice, exactly.
कि हम वहाँ पे जाते हैं, हम वहाँ पे बैठते हैं और अपने मामलों को सुलझाते हैं.
And we have to see clearly that Muslim personal law, which is enforceable by the court, is a different thing, and fatwa is a different thing. Fatwa is merely a legal opinion.
मुस्लिम्स से जुड़ी टर्मिनोलॉजी है, इसके साथ बहुत पॉलिटिक्स होती है. तो वो फतवा है या जिहाद है, जिस तरीके से इसको नेगेटिविटी में ढाल दिया गया, ऐसा है नहीं एग्जैक्टली.
May concede that Salman Rushdie may have expressed himself in a way that might have hurt religious feelings of a particular community. But there are n number of other people. You have Sania Mirza, you have Javed Akhtar. Javed Akhtar Sahab is known for his scholarity and still he gets a fatwa. Shabana Azmi gets a fatwa. So this is a routine.
मीडिया के लोग वहाँ पहुँचे हुए थे, तो वहाँ एक बहुत बड़े न्यूज़ चैनल के बहुत बड़े रिपोर्टर जो बोल रहे थे, तो उन्होंने कहा कि मुफ्ती इन्होंने इमाम साहब ने ऐसा बोला है. अभी तक ये कंफर्म नहीं हो पाया है कि ये सिर्फ ऐलान है या फतवा है.
अच्छा.
लेकिन अब इंटरेस्टिंग बात ये है कि इमाम बुखारी फतवा देने के लिए एलिजिबल ही नहीं है.
Fatwa word is like a word in English which is known as propaganda. Propaganda is not surely always negative. Propaganda can be also positive.
Yes.
Propaganda having both the meanings like positive and negative.
Right.
Islam says you cannot intermix different gender. Those are not married in a marriage relationship. So that's how they say fatwa, that a woman who is swimming in a men's swimming pool or along with man, it's not allowed in Islam. That's what the fatwa is. So nowhere swimming is prohibited in Islam for women.
The first fatwa that Salman Rushdie got was issued by Khomeini from Iran.
Iran, yeah.
So, but when he was coming for the Jaipur Literature Festival, these very Indian Sharian courts, they issued fatwa. So if it had been that irrelevant, Rushdie might not have been forced to stay away from that literature festival. He wanted to participate in it, but he never
I would
came.
reply.
Imran has a response to that. Very quickly, Imran, we have to wrap up the conversation. Yeah.
See, there is a fatwa against Salman Rushdie and Taslima Nasreen.
Yes.
And they say because they have done demeaning work to Islam, they should be killed. But you tell me, are not they alive? They are living in a different country because they don't want to be killed themselves. But who is going to kill them? Is there any execution? Police is going to kill them or Muslims are going to kill them? There is an opinion because they have demeaned Islam. What should be done?